Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last video we study about the speed and velocity. Today we are going to discuss the average speed, average velocity, and also we will study and we will know today the difference between the average speed and average velocity, and also simple speed or means speed with average speed or velocity with average velocity. So now the definition is given here. For the simple speed, we say that the distance covered in total time. But here, one word with average speed is added. This is called what? Total speed. Total distance covered in total time. So also this is a scalar quantity. A formula for the average speed is total distance divided by total time. But for simple speed, in last video we discussed the formula is distance over time. So if we see the formula for the simple speed and average speed, for the simple speed this is distance divided by time, and for the average speed total distance divided by total time. This total word is added with average speed. So the unit is same here, like meter per second. Now average velocity. Average velocity is defined as the displacement divided by total time. For the simple velocity, or we can say velocity, we say that velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. Now what is average? Average velocity we can define displacement divided by total time. In average velocity we add the total words. So now we will see in the next page that what is the main difference between the this total and without total time, or total distance, or without distance. We will see. And now next thing, the average velocity, we represent delta x divided by time. This is the symbolical representation of the velocity formula or average velocity formula. This is delta x, this is delta t, and the unit is same again, meter per second. So now we are going to discuss with some example to see the difference between the speed and average speed. Okay, let's see here. As I mentioned here, speed and average speed. Just simple example. For example, if I say the object or a human body, they have a motion 5 kilometer per or 5 meter per second. So now how can I find the distance if the total distance if he cover, or the distance if after 20 second, like after 20 second how much distance this person covered if their speed is 5 meter per second. So now very simple, the formula of speed is distance divided by time, which is equal to, now this one the rate is given 5 meter per second. So very simple. Now we find the distance after 20 second, if the time is 20 second. So putting this value or find the total distance or distance will be equal to 20 is equal to 5 meter over second. So now multiplied both sides by 20 second. Here is 1 second. Second will be cancelled. This 20 will be cancelled. So we say that the distance covered by this object or human body after 20 second is how much? 100 meter. Now what is the meaning of this? This is speed. Now what is the meaning of average speed? For example, average speed we can use that time if we calculate the wasted time as well. What do you mean by wasted time? Let's suppose like in the morning time or during the afternoon time, you are going to home or from home to school. So you are going like this to school. This is your home, this is school. So sometime if we go out from the home toward the school, so sometime we cannot continue this speed continuously. Sometime we stuck here, we stop the motion here because of rush, because of any other reason. So the time is start still, but the motion is stop. So in average speed we calculate this wasted time as well. We take care about the wasted time as well. But in simple speed, we only care about if the body is in motion continuously, if the body start their motion. But in average speed, we calculate the wasted time as well. So this is the main difference between the speed and average speed. For example, in 10 seconds, he total time taken by the object, let's suppose 50 meter. So how can we calculate the average speed? The average speed formula, VA, this is the representation, total distance divided by total time. So now here let's see total distance is how much? 50 meter and divide by the time 10. So we can say their average speed is 5 meter per second. So again I say in average speed we must care about the wasted time as well. Let's suppose here is also stop, here is also stop, but the time is wasted, but the body motion is stop. Same procedure is used for the velocity, like velocity and average velocity. Like the simple velocity formula is V is equal to displacement over time, and average velocity formula is displacement divided by total time. So this is the difference. So same here, for the average velocity we must calculate the wasted time as well, same like in the for the average speed. So again I say for the average speed we must care about the wasted time, and for the simple speed or for the simple velocity we do not care for the wasted time, and also we only calculate that motion that time if the body is in motion. Okay student, in next page we will solve some example which is much more clear, the speed and average speed or speed and velocity. You will see the different example. So be with us and stay with us in the next video. Thank you so much for this.